Hello guys, another Saturday video from my car about dev career, and some people asked me where do I go on Saturdays from my car, so I would shoot these videos. And those videos actually are not shot on Saturday. I shot that on Monday, I think it is, or Tuesday. I just published them on Saturday. So anyway, topic of today is how to raise questions and how to get help from senior developers like myself. The more popular my channel gets and my Twitter feed gets, I get more questions via YouTube comments, Twitter, and email, and asking for help in their particular situations by people. And my problem is I would love to help, and you know me, I do love to help, even shooting the videos sometimes from the problems that are raised in the emails or other questions. I do want to help, but there's just too much. There's too many of you reaching for help, and some questions require really deep work to understand them. And that's my overall point. So if you want someone to help you, like senior developer or any other like Twitter person, or even your teammate, whoever, you need to put your own work from your side so they would spend as little time as possible because they are busy. So usually when I'm answering the question, so you would understand, I usually answer emails and YouTube comments and tweets while walking the dog, where I have like 5 to 10 minutes on my phone. So if you raise the question that requires me to open computer, look something up, probably you will not get an answer from me. And sometimes it's even worse. People are asking me to debug a problem in their project just by a few lines of code. And remember, senior developers are not magicians. We don't actually guess blindly what is the problem and how to fix it. In a lot of cases, we actually need to download the project, debug, experiment, and then provide the solution if that's even possible. Because quite often the actual solution to your problem lies in not the exact line that you're pointing in the code, but in the way how you structured the code elsewhere, which leads to some refactoring of the code. And for that, it's kind of like a consultation. It's even paid consultation because it requires like an hour or so to actually debug. But the money is not overall point that I'm trying to make. I just physically don't have enough time. And I think the situation is pretty similar with other senior developers or professionals. So try to get in their shoes and prepare your question as much as possible, so they would just read somewhere on mobile and almost pick the answer, whether it's A, B, or C, or provide one line of code for you that would solve your problem. So prepare the code somewhere on GitHub. Put the link, try to describe the situation as much as possible. Of course, it's tricky because then there's the other way around. If you write like the full, almost an article, which is difficult to read, and then there's another reason why you wouldn't get the answer, because it would be too long to even read. So asking the question is kind of an art in itself, and you need to get better at that to be able to get help from senior developers like myself. So next time when you're asking me something in the comments on this YouTube channel or elsewhere, imagine me walking with the dog with my phone and prepare the question in a way so I would be able to answer and help you. That's it for now, and see you guys in other videos.